For the three groups we made, we have a panels group, which is controlled by a switch, a downlights group that is controlled by a sensor, but we don't have any control for the downlights podium. So for this group, we are going to create some scenes. Let's create a scene by clicking on the downlights podium and then create a new scene. I want to have two modes here, a presentation scene that puts the lights on at 50% and a night scene that will set the lights to a very low level of 10%. So I start by creating and naming a new scene called Presentation and setting the light output levels to 50%. After pressing the Create button, I can then add my night scene in the same way. These scenes allow the user to manually select either a high working light level or a dimmed out-of-hours level from their phone app. These scenes could also be coupled to time schedules, whereby they are automatically recalled at specific times or days. Let's create a schedule by clicking on the clock symbol and then create New Schedule. Let's set the working days by selecting each of the required days, in this case, every day, and then pressing Save. Next, I will set the time of the scene recall by clicking on Time and setting the desired time, in this example, 22:30. Then specify the group of lights for this action to apply to, in this case, Downlights Podium. Then, under Action, I choose Scene, and then specify the scene that I want to be recalled, in this case, Night Scene, and press Apply. We will now repeat this for the next schedule. Choose Group Downlight Podium again. Choose New Action this time, and click On. This time the schedule will run at 7:30. Create as schedule name Work. Click Save again. So we have now created a schedule that will automatically run every day at 7:30 in the morning, with the lights at full brightness, and will switch off at 22:30 in the evening.